How to view files in Windows without opening them. With the right tools, you can save time by previewing a variety of files in Windows 10 or Windows 11 without opening their applications. Table of contents. Your Windows PC may be home to Microsoft Word document, Excel, spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentation, PDF, photos, images, videos, music, audio files, and more. Would not it be great if you could view each of those files quickly and easily without having to open them through their associated applications? You can if you have a file viewer. A file viewer program lets you check your file without needing to open them and load the related program. File viewer can also be used to view unknown files, which can be helpful if you don't know which program to use to view such a file or don't have the necessary application to open it. File Explorer in Windows 10 and Windows 11 comes with its own preview pane that can display certain types of files. You can also turn to Microsoft's own PowerTiles utility. However, there are also several third-party programs you can enlist to get the job done. File Explorer Preview Pane. File Explorer has its own built-in file viewer via the preview pane. To use it, open File Explorer and head to the file you wish to view, such as a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PowerPoint presentation, PDF, or image. If no preview pane appears, click the View tab and select Preview pane. Now you can click the file you wish to view and it appears in the preview pane. Increase or decrease the size or width of the file by dragging the expression bar left or right. PowerTiles Peek. If you want some extra functionality and prefer to stick with Microsoft, there is a file viewer feature included with the free PowerTiles utility. It allows you to view images, web pages, markdown files, text files, and developer files. Install PowerTiles from the Microsoft Store, then open the program and select Peek. Make sure Peek is turned on and confirm the activation shortcut Control plus spacebar by default. Now when you want to view a file in File Explorer, select it and press the activation shortcut. You can then pin the viewer window and open the file in its associated application. Try a third-party app. If Microsoft own option don't work for you, there are several third-party programs to try, including Quick Loco, WinQuick Loco, Cool File Viewer, File Viewer Plus, and Free File Viewer. Quick Loco offers a convenient way to display files by integrating into File Explorer. Once installed, select the file in File Explorer and press the spacebar to make the Quick Loco window pop up too. Display the file in a dedicated window. You can also open a file by clicking the Open button. You can view a variety of file types including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint document, PDF, HTML files, and ZIP files, and can even play many audio and video files. To use the program with Microsoft Office files, you shall need to install a free plug-in at the developer available plugins page. You can also easily navigate through multiple page document and scrub through audios and videos as in File Explorer. Just resize the window to increase or decrease the size of the viewed file. WinQuick Loco. The $1.99 WinQuick Loco works similarly to Quick Loco. After you install the program, it hooks into File Explorer. Select the file you want to view in File Explorer. Press the spacebar and the file appears in its own window. Otherwise, click the Open With button if you want to open the file from the app. WinQuick Loco supports a variety of file types including Microsoft Office files, PDF, HTML files, and many audio and video formats. Cool File Viewer. With the free version of Cool File Viewer, you can view a limited number of file types and play scan audio and video files. However, a $20 in